Welcome to our channel. Today I would like to show you how to clean the speaker on a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus phone. The first thing we need to do is turn off the phone completely. Never clean your phone while it is turned on. So we need to press a combination of buttons and select power off to make sure the phone is completely turned off. Once the phone is completely turned off, we set it aside. This will make it easier for us because the speaker is located here between the frame and the glass. The speaker runs from here to here. Actually, it's not the speaker itself, but the speaker opening. The speaker is underneath, so we need to clean it. For this, we need isopropyl alcohol that is 100% pure, so that it first softens the dirt, helps remove it, and then evaporates without leaving any trace that we used it. And a rectangular brush with flexible bristles like this one. But the bristles must be soft or medium hard, otherwise you'll scratch your phone. You can buy such a set for yourself. You can buy these kinds of items as a set on Allegro or Amazon. And now we can finally start the cleaning process. So we make sure to thoroughly soak the entire brush with plenty of rubbing alcohol. First, we carefully take the soft bristled brush and thoroughly clean the surface in one direction only, repeating this motion approximately 5 to 10 times in total. This way we're simply pushing the dirt out of the opening instead of going back and forth and leaving the dirt inside. After a few passes, once the dirt softens, it just comes out. And do the same in the other direction. Also about 5 to 10 times so that the dirt simply comes out. Repeat these actions about 5 times in each direction, so that it's around 50 times in each direction. Then we can be absolutely sure that the internal speaker is thoroughly and deeply cleaned, even if it was previously blocked by some sticky glue or something similar to that. If someone accidentally applied a UV-hardened glass protector and didn't cover this small opening, you can simply clean the speaker very well with liquid alcohol or isopropanol. After doing this, it will work perfectly again, just like it did before it originally got clogged up with debris. Or when powder gets, women often use a lot of powder, and then the powder gets into the speaker, and as a result, the speaker works much quieter than it normally should. The symptom of this is that it's quiet. You turn the volume all the way up, but you still can't hear well during a call. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 10 minutes, so don't use it for about 10 minutes to let the alcohol evaporate. After that, you can turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would really appreciate a thumbs up, likes, and subscriptions, and see you in our next video.